First of all, a very good evening to everybody on board, and very good evening to everybody who's viewing us directly. I had told it earlier in the afternoon also that this is just a flash in the pan, just a storm in the cup, which is being trying to be raised, pushed, projected, and virtually popularized by a few political vested interests. We should see each and every genuine move of Bharat Sarkar with circumspection. We should see, but should not with suspicion. We shouldn't suspect each and every genuine move of Bharat Sarkar. First of all, in a virtually an environment and an ecosystem was created once the Jammu and Kashmir was converted into union territory. But with the passage of time, we all came to know that in Jammu and Kashmir, the situation virtually limped, and now it virtually progressed, and virtually we are having an almost a greater control over the law and order. The peace has almost, a sense of peace has almost prevailed in Valley. Greater investments, more transparency in employment generations as well as government employments also. Now, with a view to giving greater precision, reducing red tape, with a view to taking decisions in a better and effective mode, an arrangement has been made by the Bharat Sarkar. I made it clear also that Jammu and Kashmir will not and shall not remain a UT forever. This is an interim arrangement, and this is an interim arrangement which suits the interests of, first of all, the people of Jammu and Kashmir. First of all, the peace, safety, security, and a sense of security for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. So, as an interim arrangement, if something has been brought into, we shouldn't raise undue fingers. We shouldn't be so much as an over suspecting. We shouldn't be, I said, try to create mountains out of molehills. So I think we should be very, very practical. We should be pragmatic. We should take the things as on ground. We should be able to call a spade a spade. We should be able to talk the truth to the people. We shouldn't mislead. Past 6 and 7 years, we have seen people being led up to the garden paths, slogans, autonomy aayega, self-rule aayega, pre-53 aayega, but nothing happened in Jammu and Kashmir. The entire, if we see, the income of Jammu and Kashmir, which was not even to sustain even the government employees' salary bill of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is a beautiful state. It's the crown of India. Jammu and Kashmir has a wonderful tourist potential. Jammu and Kashmir has a potential in pilgrimage tourism also. Jammu and Kashmir has a excellent potential for adventure tourism also. But you see, the overall earnings of Jammu and Kashmir were not even to satisfy the salary bill of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir was in a limbo. No sense of security. Hartals, bands, stone peltings, calendars, and all this going in a limbo. India was moving ahead and Jammu and Kashmir was moving backwards. So once this is a change, virtually it's a change. Not only change, this is a metamorphosis. Everything else, I don't say that it was a paradise gained and a paradise lost. Things are coming. Things are limping down to normal. Things are virtually improving. Indicators have improved. The development indicators have also improved. So this is a sincere step on part of the Bharat Sarkar to improve the state of affairs in Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, let's get a response.
So,
all right.
Secondly,
Yeah, we